Okay, so in this video we will be making a modern house. Just so like, I don't know. I did this with my brother. And yeah. Wait, what? Yeah, right now he's making a dog. Oh yeah. That was an issue. And so first we made like a frame, doorways, and we had to make the floor. The floor was just a pain. Kept moving. And so yeah, just going. So right now we're making the ceiling for the first floor. As you can see, there's a dog in the background. Oh, now I can't see it. This is the top one. It just makes the house look more modern. Just like a window like that. Just does this.
And soon we're gonna start making some boats at the
and then yeah, the dock is gonna be useful. And oh yeah, you messed up in those stairs.
Yeah, I did.
I usually don't build houses.
We
It's
both
true.
don't.
You don't play Minecraft usually.
Whatever.
I mean, sometimes you do. Yeah, this wall looked really bland, so I added a window.
I added the window.
You added the. Oh yeah, now I switched to shaders just to make
It cooler.
it look nicer. Here I make a little bedroom, scaffolding, night table, nightstands, a lantern, and a jungle. Oh, here
We're
is
making
when
the
I
boats.
make some more. Yeah. My brother makes a small speedboat. Over there you can see him, and then I'm the orange guy. And then I'm making this yacht right over
I'm the
here.
green and white guy.
Oh yeah, he is the green one guy. I just use sponges. This is like just my kind of yacht. It's just like what I do. Yeah.
Yeah, that's because the camera was in the one place for too long.
But it wasn't. Oh yeah. It kept turning. The weather kept turning to storm. Oh yeah, you get to see my brother make his.
He helped me a little.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is like the only kind of yacht I make. It's just like they're all the same, except they look good.
Yeah, they look good. And you forgot to do the interior. After the whole thing, I went inside the yacht and there was nothing in there except for a creeper that I killed.
They don't need to know that. But yeah, it's just I'm not good with interiors. Actually, interiors of the yachts I'm actually sort of kind of.
Oh, you good at it? Did you see that lightning?
Yes, I did see the lightning. It was scary.
Yeah.
Here we make
It's like
a kitchen.
transition.
Well, I make a kitchen. I make the dining table. He makes chairs. It took you so long to make those chairs. I made the first 2 chairs. And then here I make like a kitchen
thing.
And Bro's gonna see right now it's raining. Can't really see anything. See? See here I make a path.
Yeah.
And I can't see.
This is where it should slow down.
No, it shouldn't. And then this is just me going through the whole thing, and then going through the whole thing, and then I add some stairs to the yacht because I forgot, and that's the end. So like and subscribe if you want more
Videos like this.
Sure. Well, and yeah.